this is error is given, Shabab, like this. This is 0, 2, 6. From 0 to 2, error is 5%. Right, Shabab? And at 6, it becomes 25%. So what we are doing, out of the very highly changing error, we are taking just one change and we are going to apply derivative action on it, and we're going to see the result, what happens. So we remember there is a highly changing error was there, so we just take one change out of that and we will apply the derivative action on it and we'll see what happens. Okay, Shabab. So how we should start this question? So where we should start this question? What should be the first step?
Find MP.
Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. We need to know the parts of the and so how many parts this curve has, Shabab? And now from here actually simple mathematics starts. Stop here and mathematics start. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 3. Very good, Shabab. Very good. So we have 3 parts. So let's draw the 3 columns like this. Okay, Shabab. So what is the first part? Please tell me.
And error? Error we have.
Equal to what and greater than equal to what?
0 and 2, teacher.
0 and 2.
0
Very
there.
good. And we have minutes. Very good. What is error here?
5.
What is error? 5. Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing 5%. Okay, Shabab. What is here? Is less than equal to what? Greater than equal to what?
Just
2 and 6.
2 and 6 and
Very good. Very good. 2 and 6 minutes. And how are we going to find the error here?
Equation of the line.
Very good. Very good. So we will make the equation of the line. So how are we going to put here? This error is greater than or equal to what?
6.
6. Very good. And what is the error here?
25.
Very good. Okay, Shabab, how will make the equation of the line here?
Y minus y1. Y2 minus.
So we're going to take this point. What is this point? What is this point, Shabab?
And 5.
2 minutes. Very good. And 5%. Very good, Shabab. What is this point?
6 and 25.
6 minutes and 25%. Very good, Shabab. Very good. Okay. So now how we going to find the equation of the line? What we will do? Y minus y1 5 or y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, 6, not 5. Teacher, not 5. Y minus 6.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Brother?
Everything fine, fine.
No problem, no problem. Anybody can get confused, no problem. Even teacher can get confused, so please help the teacher. So x minus 2 over 4, y minus 5, 1, 5 over 20. So 4 into 5, right? So y is equal to 5x minus 10 plus 5. How much about? 5x minus 5. You are with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are typing yes. Okay. Now, is it really true? This equation is true? Maybe it is wrong. Maybe we have done some mistake. So why don't we just confirm it? So put the x2. If we put the x2, 5 into 2, how much above? 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So it is 5 is there. right? So if we put the x 6, so 6 into 5, 30, 30 minus 5, 25. So that is there, 25. So it means our equation is correct. Now how much is the error, Shabab? So error is equal to 5t minus 5%. Right, Shabab? All the brother with me? Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are tapping. Yes, that's good. Okay. What is the always first step, Shabab? What is the first step always? MP. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing MP. MP is equal to KCE plus MR. How much KC, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers they are tapping 1. What is the error? What is the error, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. What is the error?
5, teacher, 5.
5. Very
Five.
good. What is MR?
0.
0. MR is not given. So we are not taking 5%. Right, Shabab? Always first step here, how much? MP is equal to KC. How much, Shabab? KC?
1.
1. Error? What is error, Shabab?
5t minus 5.
5t minus 5. Again, MR 0. So 5t minus 5. Luckily, same. What is output here, Shabab? MP is equal to KC. How much?
1.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. So error is 25. So 25%. What is the second step, Shabab? Very good, very good. MD, output due to derivative action. What is MD, Shabab? Please tell me what is the formula for MD?
KC, TD, DE,
Very good. KC, TD, D or DT. So what is KC here, Shabab? KC1. How much TT? How much TT, Shabab? 2. Very good. Lot of brothers are adding 2. Derivative of 5% over dt. So how much? How much, Shabab?
0%, teacher.
0%. Very good. 0%. Okay, second step here. How much KC, Shabab? 1. How much error? Here we're going to put the error or something else. TD, very good. Very good. Lot of brothers are saying TD. So TD is how much? 2. And error, derivative of error, 5t minus 5. How much, Shabab? How much? 10. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 10. Very good. So second step here, MD 0. Because we already know from here, output due to derivative action, because of the error constant, it is 0. So now we can put here directly. Right, Shabab? What is the third step always?
MPD.
Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers are typing MPD. So total output MP plus MD. How much MP, Shabab? 5%, 0%. So 5%. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 5%. Same here. MPD. We can say M in short. M how much? MP 5 t minus 5. This is 10. 5t minus 5 plus 10. How much, Shabab? 5t plus 10.
5T.
Sorry?
Plus 5.
5t plus 5%. Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? Some brother has any question? That's good. Lot of brothers, they're saying no. Okay. So third step here, MPD, how much Shabab? 25 plus 0, 25%. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brother, any question up to here? That's good. Lot of brothers are saying no. Okay, that's good. So now we need to draw it. Now what we're gonna do, Shabab? We're gonna draw it. Okay. So for 0 to 2 minutes, it is 5% constant. Okay. So what we do? We take this line here as a 0 reference, right, Shabab? And from 0 to 2, it is 5% constant. So we make it like this is 5% line, straight line, 5% constant. Right, Shabab? Now see here we need to calculate. Still we did not calculate here. So M of, what we should put here, Shabab? M of what? 2. Very good, very good. M of 2. So 5 into 2 plus 5, how much? 15%. Right, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 15. And what should be the second value?
Will be 8.
That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 6. So M of 6, 5 into 6 plus 5, 35%. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 35. Very good. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Now it will raise to where? So at 2, it is going to 15. That's good. So at 2, we will make a line, dotted line here 15, and we will raise it. We all know a dotted line does not have any value. It is just for reference. This dotted line is just for reference. Okay. Then at 6, it goes to 35. Right, Shabab? So we will raise it to 35. Again, we put the dotted line just for the reference. So it will go like this. So again, it is straight line. Right, Shabab? And then, see here, at 6, it comes back to 25. So we will make here a line in the middle, that is 25. This is output percent, and we will bring it down like this. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing no question. Okay, that's good. Now I have question for you, brothers. All the brothers, I have some questions, so I will write them here. First of all, this error is given, this output is given, right? So we need to find AC, we need to find TD, right, Shabab? And AC, TD, what is else? Okay, Shabab, how are we going to find it? How much is KC?
AC, TD, and MR, teacher.
Yeah, MR we can find, but this is here MR is not given. So, okay, let's start with the MR. Okay, Shabab, how much is MR? Yes, how much is MR, Shabab? 5. 5, lot of brothers, they are writing 5. How you know it is 5? Very good, brother Ibrahim, he is writing 0. Very good. Yes, brother Ibrahim, how do you know it is 0? Shabab, please tell me.
Because of 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 is 0.
That's good. Error is starting from 5. Yes, Shabab. Error is starting from 5. Output is also starting from 5. So there is no MR. Both are starting from 5. If there is a MR, output start shifted up. Right, right, Shabab? If error is starting at 5, output is starting at 5, it means there is no MR. Right, Shabab? And also, the gain is, what is gain?
0, teacher.
0. So MR is 0, and what is the gain? What is the gain, Shabab?
Output over input.
Output over input.
That is 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, of course, is 1, teacher. Yes.
Gain is 1. Okay, now what is left now? TD. TD is left. So how are we going to find the TD, Shabab? The TD is 2, but how we find it? From this given thing, how we find it? One brother is writing, find the slope of this. What is slope of this, Shabab? Its slope is 5. It is not 5. This line slope is 5. It is not 5. So how we find the TD? What is this, Shabab? This is what? This is MD. From here to here is MD, right? Remember, Shabab?
The time to change for MD to
So MD is how much? How much is MD, Shabab? How much MD? 10. Very good. 10. This is equal to what? AC, ED, D over dt. Right, Shabab? So 10 is equal to Kc is how much? 1. ED we need to find. D over dt is how much? You already found the error, right? What was the error? Error was what, Shabab? 5t plus 5%. Remember this thing? 5t minus 5%. This is error. So dt over dt is 5. So how much tt? 10 over 5 is equal to 2 minutes. You are with me?
Yes.
Once again, Shabab. Once again, please, everybody pay attention. We need to find what? TD. This TD we want to find. Right, Shabab? One of the maths.
Teacher,
What is this? Yes, brother.
why KC equal 1?
You just found it. Kc equal to 1.
Why? Why equal
You
1?
forgot. What is error here? From 0 to 2, what is error? Please tell me, what is error from 0 to 2? 5%. Other brother, they are
Five.
writing 5%. What is output from 0 to 2? Yes, brother, please tell me, what is output from 0 to 2?
5.
5% again. So 5 divided by 5, how much?
Oh, okay, thank you. 1.
Okay, you are welcome. No problem, no problem. This is good you ask the question. Don't keep question with you. Shabab, please don't keep questions with you. Please ask. So KC1, so how much is this, Shabab? This is MD. This amount is what? MD. How much is this? 35 minus 25. Right? Shabab with me? Okay, a lot of brothers are saying yes. Okay, so brother, please pay attention. This is 35 minus 25, 10. Okay. MD is equal to 10. Kc, Td, d over dt. MD 10, Kc we know 1, Td we need to find, and the derivative of error, this is the error you guys found, is 5. So Td become 2 minutes. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. Brother Faris is writing clear. Any other brother, please ask the question. It is simple, inshallah. But if you have question, please ask.
Exam teacher, you will give us the graph and you will ask about these, like gain, data.
Can be. Yeah, can be.
Okay.
Okay, brother. Any other brother has any question? Please ask.
Teacher,
Okay, Shubha. We need to find the output. We need to find the output at a time 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 7 minute. We need to find the output at these times. So what is the output at 1 minute, Shabab? 5. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying 5. Because from 0 to 2 minutes, output is 5. So 1 minute is also 5. That's good. What is output at 2? At 2 minutes?
5. And
Very good. One brother wrote Muhammad, he wrote it is changing. Yes. So what we should say? At 2 minutes, it is going from 5 to 15. We need to say that. At 2 minutes, 0, 2. At 2 minutes, output is going from 5 to 15%. From 5% to 15%. So how much at 3 minutes, Shahab? How much output at 3 minutes?
3 in the equation line.
Very good. Very good. This equation is there. This equation is still, that's why I did not remove it. So at 3, we put here 3. So M of 3, how much? 5 into 3 plus 5. How much about? 20%. Right? You are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they're saying yes. Okay. What is the
teacher, yeah.
output? Sorry?
Teacher, we find the error of 5t minus 5.
It is not error, it is output. We are talking about output, not error.
فأنا حبيت أسألك.
teacher,
Yes.
I have a question about TD. TD not the initial start, teacher, from the output or final
No.
as initial.
That is integral action, not derivative.
Derivative, we must use the formula.
Yes. It is given, already given. This 6 is already given here.
Teacher, if I want the 70, yes, I put the 7 in this equation, teacher.
Yes. If you need the time at 7, then it is different. For right now, you tell me this output at the 3 is correct or not.
Okay, 5 multiplied by 3. 15, yes, it's true, teacher.
Okay. Now we go to the 7. Output at 7 minutes. Yes, Shabab, how much output at 7 minutes?
5.
21. You don't need this equation
21.
anymore. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying 25 because the 7 is here. Here. So this is 25. We don't need this equation. This equation is valid from where to where? Shabab, this equation is good from where to where?
2 to 6.
From 2 to 6. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing. So this equation is good from 2 to 6 up to here. After 6, it is constant. After 6, it is constant, Shabab.
So teacher, I said from in 2 from 5 to 15, and in 6 I said from 35 to 25, like this.
At 6, it is coming from 35 to 25. Yes. At 2, it is going from 5 to 15. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
could you please explain the difference between integral and derivative in the TD? or TI?
There is no TD in integral. That is TI. Here it is derivative. That is TD. So there is no
Yes, but
no comparison. That is for integral action. This is for derivative action. You get my point?
yes, but the
There
difference
is
for
no
the T.
comparison in between them. Back we do the comparison if there is something similar. They are entirely different. One is for the integral action, one is for the derivative action. Okay, Shabab, there is another problem we have here. That we need to solve. So KC is 0.25. Control action direct. Set point is 60%. TD is 10 minutes. MR 45%. And error is given like this. Actually, error is not given. PV is given. What is given, Shabab?
PV.
PV. So from 0 to 2, PV is 60%. At 2, it start raising and it go 200%. This PV. And the slope is 5% per minute. We need to find T1. Yes, Shabab, how we find the T1?
Equation.
We need to use the formula for the slope. Slope is how much? Slope is equal to
y2 minus y1.
y2 minus y1 over
2 minus x1.
x2 minus x1. Very good. So let's see these points. So we have the y1, y2. What is this point, Shabab?
T1 is 2 with the
60%. What is this point? T1 minutes 100%. So how much is the slope here?
5.
Very good. 5 is equal to y2 minus y1, 100 minus 60 over x2 minus 1.
T1 minus 3.
T1 minus 2. Very good. So that is equal to 40 over T1 minus 2. So T1 is equal to 2 plus 8. 10 minutes. This is T2, Shabab. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, now what is the next step, Shabab? After finding the T1, what we should do?
40. Error, teacher.
Error, very good. Not brother, no writing error. So we need to find the error. That's good. So let's find the error. Error minutes. Okay, Shabab, from 0 to 2, what is error?
0.
See the set point. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 0. Set point is 60. PV is 60. So what is error?
0, 0.
0. Right, Shabab? So error is 0. Okay, Shabab. At 10 minutes, what is the error? 40. That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing 40. That's very good, Shabab. And then it becomes constant. So here 0, here 40%. This is 0, this is 2, this is 10. Yeah, Shabab, what is the next step?
How many parts do we have?
Yes, very good. So how many parts this?
3. 3 parts.
3 parts. Very good. What is here?
0
Is less
to
than equal to 0 to 2. Very good. Very good. Is less than equal to
2 to 10.
2 to 10.
2 to 10.
2 to 10. Very good. How much here, Shabab? Is greater than equal to
10.
10. Very good. What is error here?
0.
0%. What is error here, Shabab?
Equation of the line.
40.
2 point. What is error here?
6.
40.
Yes, Shabab. What is error here? 40.
40.
40%. Very good. So how we find the error here?
The equation minus the.
So Shabab, please find the error, get the first. Find the error here, get the first. Yes, Shabab, please find the error. Show me your finding, get the first. Somebody is trying? Yes, good. Lot of brother, they are writing yes. E is equal to, Ali is writing E is equal to 5t minus 10. He is writing 5t minus 10%. Let's verify it. 5t, we put 2, so 10 minus 10, 0. That's good. If we put 10, so 10 into 5, 50, 50 minus 10, 40. That's good. So, brother Ali, tell me your ID. What is your ID? Yes, brother Ali, tell me your ID. 39190140. That's good. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Now, what is the first step all the time? MP. Very good. So, MP is equal to how much? Yes, brother. Please tell me how much MP is equal to what?
KC
KC
plus
error
MR.
Very good. KC plus MR. How much KC?
0.25.
0.25. How much error?
0.
0.
0. How much MR?
45.
45%. Right, Shabab? Okay, here. First step. Now we are doing simple mathematics. KC how much, Shabab? 0.25. How much error? 5t minus 10. MR. How much is this? Yes, Shabab, how much?
1.25t minus
1.25t minus
2.5 plus
2.5 plus 45. How much, Shabab?
47.5. Minus.
Is this correct, Shabab?
Yes.
Me?
Shabab, is it correct?
Yes, teacher, correct.
That's good. Yeah, this here, Shabab. MP, how much? First up here. MP. KC, how much, Shabab?
0.25.
25.25.
0.25. Error?
40.
40. Very good. Plus 45. How much, Shabab?
55.
55.
55. Very good. 55%. Very good, Shabab.
Teacher,
Yes, please.
can you check the equation of the line again? I think I have another different answer.
No, I just did it. It's the same.
Please tell us your answer.
I get 5t minus 50.
5t minus 50. No, you put the t here, 2. 2 into 10, it is coming minus 40. We don't have any minus 40. We have 0. You get my point?
Ah, yeah, so I have
So
mistake.
your equation is not correct, brother. Sorry. So you please check your calculation again.
How do you check?
Ya Haji, Ya Haji. 5t minus 50, right?
Yes.
So put the t is what? T is 2. So put 2 here. Minus 50, how much?
0.
How much?
Minus
0.
40.
Huh?
Minus
0.
40,
Minus
teacher.
40. What we want?
You want 0.
We want 0. It means this equation is not good, right?
Okay, okay. And
You get, brother, you get the point? How to check it?
yes, teacher, I get it.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, Shaba, what is next point? All the time, step 2. What is that?
MD.
MD, very good. MD is equal to what?
KC over TD.
AC
Multiply TD, teacher.
TD.
Multiply DA over TD.
Derivative.
DT.
Yes.
AC how much? AC how
0.25.
much? DT.
10.
D over DT. 0. Right, Shaba?
Right, teacher.
That's good. Step 2 here. KC how much?
0.25.
0.25. How much? TD?
10.
10. D over dt of 1.25 t plus 42.5. Is this correct?
Yes. No,
Is
no,
it
no,
correct,
no.
Shaba?
No, no, no. Teacher,
No.
5t
It is
minus
very
10.
wrong. It is very, very wrong. It should not be like this. Lot of brother, they do in the exam like this. So, what we say, multiply by derivative of error. 5t minus 10. Like this. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing. So, how much it is?
12.5 T.
2.5.
12.5 T minus
1.5? How come?
0.25.
2.5 multiply 5. 12 half. What?
2.5
12.5.
multiply by 5. How much?
12 and a half.
12.5. Right, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 12.5. That's good. Okay, what is the second step here, Shabab? Can I write 0 directly here?
Yes, teacher, we can.
Because we already have proof here. See, we already prove here. If the error is constant, output is 0. So now here we can write it directly, no problem. Right, Shabab? Come with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they're saying yes. Okay, what is the next step, Shabab? MPD.
MPD total.
Total output. MP plus MD. How much MP, Shabab? 45%. MD 0. So 45%. Right, Shabab? Step 3 here. MPD. We say M. How much MP? MD. So how much about 1.25T plus 42.5 plus 12.5. How much?
65.
1.25T plus 65 or 55?
55.
55? Do you have 55?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher, 55.
That's good. What about here?
55.
55%. That's good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question, please ask. That's good. A lot of brothers saying no, clear. Okay, Shabab. Now the step of drawing. Now we need to draw it. From 0 to 2, what is output, Shabab?
45.
Can you make a reference line? Yes. From 0 to 2, what is output?
45.
45 constant. There is no T here, nothing. So we draw a line here, constant 45 output %. Okay. Now here we need to calculate it. So M of what is the first point, Shabab?
2.
2. Very good. So 1.25 into 2 plus 55. How much? Very good. 57.5%. And what is the second point, Shabab?
10.
Very good. 10. That is equal to 1.25 into 10 plus 55. How much about?
67.5.
67.5. Very good. Right, Shabab? Now we need to draw it. So it will go to at 2, it is going to
57.5.
And then at 10, it will go to 67.5.
It's not 67.5, teacher. 62.5.
Some brother told me that one. Okay, if you want to make it accurate, let's make it accurate. 10, 12.5 plus 55. 67.5. 1.25 into 10, how much, Shabab?
Teacher, 67.
67.5, right? This brother is putting me in doubt, you know. Okay. Even the numbers you can check, Shabab, no problem. The numbers you can check later. If you have any doubt, you can check later, no problem. So try to understand the procedure. Right, Shabab? So at 10, how much it is? 67.5. Again, this is straight line, Shabab. I'm trying to make a straight line like this. Okay, Shabab. At 10 minutes, it goes where? It goes where, Shabab, at 10 minutes? 55. Very good. So it will come down here. The 55 line is already there, right? So it comes down here like this.
Your second point is 57.5.
Which one?
2, 57.5 at 2.
Yeah, this is a mistake. Yes. $57 and a half. So we make here Shabab 57 and a half. We take it there. Go like this. And after that it becomes 55. Once again, Shabab. Once again, thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your correction. See here. From 0 to 2, how much Shabab? 45%, right? So we take a line 45%, we draw it. 45%. Right, Shabab? You are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are
Yes,
saying yes.
teacher.
Okay, that's good. Now, for this portion, we calculate it. So we put the 1.25 into 2, that will be 2.5, 55, 57.5. And then we put the 10, 1.25 into 10 plus 55, 67.5. Like this. Okay. So what we do, we take the output to the 57.5, right? This one, and then at 10 minutes, it becomes 6.5. Right, Shabab? Do you agree with me?
Yes, teacher.
And then at 10, it becomes 55. So we bring it down to 55. See here, this is the 55. And after that, it continues. Do you agree with me? That's good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here? Please ask. Okay, Shabab. Now we need to find the KC, TD, MR, and what is else? What was there? Gain. Gain already there, KC, TD, MR. Yes, Shabab. If this numbers are given, we need to know the actions direct or reverse. Direct or reverse. If these graphs are given, can we find these?
Yes.
Yes, please tell me. Which one is the easiest one to find? From where we should start?
Direct or reverse.
The action is direct or reverse. How do we know that, Shabab? Very good.
PV minus SP, which is direct.
That's good. So here the PV is bigger than the SP and error is positive, so it means direct action. That's good. What is next, Shabab?
Find MR.
MR, how are we going to find it, MR? Yes, please tell us. Please tell us how to find MR. 45 minus 0. Yes, lot of brothers they are writing. I understand what they are saying. See, error is starting from where? 0.
From 0.
0. Output is starting from where?
45.
45.
Okay.
So what is MR? 45. Very good. 45. Okay, Shabab. How much KC? KC is how much?
10, I guess. Change of output, change in input.
Okay. So how much?
$22.5.
What gain is what?
22.5.
How come?
0.56, teacher.
Yeah, how you get it? Please tell us.
Change of output,
What is the change of output?
67.5 minus 45,
65 minus 45 divided by
40 minus 0.
40 minus 0. Yes, Shabab, how much is this?
$0.56.
12.5 over 40. How much, Shabab?
0.56.
5.6.
You can say 0.6 to make it.
0.6, is it correct? It was our gain.
Yes.
What was our gain, Shabab?
0.25.
0.25. So we need 0.25.
Teacher, how do we get it then?
See here.
Oh, 55 minus 45, teacher, not 67, because the draw ends in 55. So 55 minus 45.
Yes. No, you are correct. No, you
Yeah.
are correct. So it is how, Shabab? 55 minus 45 over 40. Change in, you can calculate it anywhere, but this brother is calculating here from 0 to 2. From 0 to 2, what is output? Here, 55 minus 45 divided by 40, how much? 10 by 40. 10 by 40 mean what? 0.25. What with me?
Yes.
There is a lot of ways. You can say, this is, I don't like this way, so tell me some other way. Okay, no problem. We can have another way. For example, output is what is empty here. In this area, what is empty?
We can take in the middle like 40 minus 2.
It will be complex here because here MD is also involved. How much MD here? From 0 to 2, what is MD?
0.
0. So here we have just MP. MP is equal to ACE plus MR. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Everybody with me? Okay. Remove the MR. If we remove the MR, this will be what? 0. And this will be what? 10. Right?
Yes.
So what is, if we say MR is removed, output is 10. AC, what is error? 40. Okay, AC is what? 10 by 40. That is again 0.25. So whichever way you like, if you want to consider the MR, this one is there. If you don't want to consider the MR, this one is there. You are with me?
Yes, teacher, clear.
Any brother has any question, please ask. This is a little tricky. So please ask if you have any question. Yeah, brother Ali is saying again. Okay, see again. You wanna do from 2 to 10, you can do, no problem. But again, MD is involved there. Here MD is not 0. So you have to take care about the MD also. Right, Shabab? My suggestion, find it here, 0 to 2, where MD is 0. In this section, MD is 0. Okay. Now, output is here. How much? This is again MD part. We are taking just MP part. So 55 minus 45. 55 minus 45. See here. You can see from here. 55 minus 45. What is the error? 40. See here. Right? So, 10 by 40. You can know I don't like this method. Okay, you don't like this method? No problem. Come here, this method. Right? Okay, what is going on here? KC MP is 10, right? So if you want to involve the MR, you can involve the MR, no problem. But we are saying no, MR we take the 0, so it will shift down. If we remove the MR, it will shift to 0. So how much is the difference? 10. So 10 by 40.25. That's about.
Right.
Yes, anybody has question? Okay, lot of brothers saying no question, no problem. We will solve more problem, then it will be more clear. Okay, Shabab, what is left now? What is left with us? TD.
TD. Right.
How to find the TD, Shabab? How do we find the TD? Where is the TD here on the graph? Where is TD?
MD, which is
This one.
5 and
From here to here.
25.
From here to here is the MD. How much? How much is this? 67.5 minus 55. How much about? 12.5. Very good. Lot of brothers are saying 12.5. That's good. Okay, Shabab. So TD, MD is equal to KC, TD, DO, DT. So MD is 12.5. KC how much? 0.25. TD we need to find error. Derivative of error is how much, Shabab? 5. So TD is equal to what? 12.5 divided by 0.25 into 5. How much? How much, Shabab?
10.
10. Very good. 10 minutes. Lot of brothers they are writing 10. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers. Okay, that's good. So the last question, Shabab, we are doing now the derivative action. After that, we will go further, inshallah. So this is one last problem for the derivative action. Until now, we just took one change. Until now, we just took one change. Now we're gonna take the two changes and we're gonna see what happens. Now we're gonna take the how many changes, Shabab? How many changes now we're gonna take? Two changes. That's good. So it is 0, 2, 4, 6. So the error is starting from 0. This is the error, Shabab. 0 to 2, it is 0. Right, Shabab? At 2, it goes here. That is 10%. Then at 6, it comes back to 0 and go like this. State like this. So now we took how many errors, Shabab? We took two errors. Before what we were doing, we were just taking one change and then we say it was straight. But what we were doing, we were taking one increasing change and then one decreasing change and we are saying it is straight. Right, Shabab? Draw with me. That's good. Okay, the Kc is given here. How much is Kc? Kc is 1 TD 10 minutes MR 10%, and we need to find output and draw it. Shiva, what is the first step to draw it?
Parts. How many parts do we have?
How many parts this curve has? Yes, Shiva, how many parts this curve has?
5, I guess.
Huh?
4 parts.
For teacher.
Having 4. Very good. 4 parts this curve has. Yes, Shiva, what is the first part?
From 0 to 2.
0 to 2. Very good. Minutes. Yes. What is here?
2 to 4.
2 to 4. Very good. What is here?
4 to 6.
4 to 6 minutes. What is here?
Bigger than 6.
Greater than 6 minutes. That's good. From 0 to 2, what is error, Shiva?
0.
0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying 0. Okay. From 2 to 4, what is error? Find the equation, get the first.
Function of the
5t
line.
minus 2. One brother is saying 5t minus 2. One brother, he just wrote 5t, error is equal to 5t minus 2. Is it correct, Shabab? Let us check. If we put t2, how much? 10 minus 2, 8. Here it is 0. So this equation is not correct, brother, sorry. Another brother is saying 5t minus 10. That's good. Let's check this one. Another brother is saying error is equal to 5t minus 10. Let us check this one, Shabab. Put 2 here. 2 10 minus 10, 0. Very good. It is good. Then we put the 4. 4 into 5. How much, Shabab? 4 into 5, how much? 20. Very good.
20 minus 10.
20 minus 10, 10. So this equation is correct. Very good, Shabab. Very good, brother. Very good. Yes, Shabab. From 4 to 6, what is the equation? From 4 to 6. What is the error from 4 to 6? Yes, Shabab. What is the error here? Find the error here. Get the first. 5t minus 5. This one brother is saying 5t minus 5. So if we put here 4, so it will be 5 into 4, how much, Shabab? 20. 20 minus 5, 15. We have 10 there. So this equation is not good, Shabab. Brother, sorry, this equation is not correct. Shabab, please find the equation, get the first. From 4 to 6, find the equation, get the first.
I think teacher minus 5x minus 10.
Minus 5,
T minus 10.
minus 10. Let's see, brother. Put the T4. So it will be what? 20. Minus 20, minus 10, minus 30. We have 10 there. It is not working, sorry. Five t minus 10, Shabab, it is not working. 5t minus 10 is not working. 5t minus 30. One brother is saying 5t minus 30. Put t is equal to 4. Yes, which one? So if we put 4 here, it will be 20 minus 30 minus 10. We have there plus 10, Shabab. See here. We have plus 10. We don't have minus 10. Again, this equation is not working. Yes, Shabab. Any other brother?
Minus 5x plus 20.
Minus 5t
Plus 20.
20
Teacher,
Okay.
minus 5t plus 30.
Give me 1 minute. Let's make this brother happy. So 5 into 4, 20 minus 20 is 0. We have 10. We have here 10. So it is not working. Yes, next brother. Minus t plus
30.
minus 5t plus 30. I believe this is working. Minus 5t plus 30%. Put here for Shiva 4. 4 into 5, 20. Minus 20 plus 30, 10. Very good. Now put here 6. 30 minus 30, 0. Very good. What is your ID, Shiva? Brother, please tell me your ID. 391900596. Very good. Very good, brother Forrest. Very good. And what is error here, Shiva? Greater than 6? What is error here?
0.
0. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 0. Okay. What is the first step always, Shiva? Yes, brother. First
MB.
step always. Very good. MP is equal to? Yes. MP equal to what, Shiva? KCE plus MR. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing KCE plus MR. KC how much? What is KC? 1. How much error?
0.
How much MR?
10.
10%. Altogether 10%. First step here. MP is equal to KC how much, Shiva? How much KC? 1. Very good. How much error? How much error, Shiva? How much MP?
30.
5T. Very good. Lot of brothers are writing 5T. Yes, Shiva, here. First step. MP is equal to KC how much? 1. Error minus 5T plus 30. How much MR? Plus 10. How much above here? How much here? Minus 5T plus 40%. That's good. Brother Ali is telling. Thank you, Brother Ali. Thank you very much. What is here, Shiva? MP is equal to? We already proved here. If error is 0, MP is 10%. So again, MP here 10%. Any question up to here, Shabab? Some brother has any question? Please ask. That's good. A lot of brothers they are saying clear. Okay, Shabab. What is second step always? MIE. Brother Ibrahim, please wake up. MD, very good. Lot of brothers they are saying MD. MD is equal to what, Shabab?
D teacher, I am sorry, teacher. I'm sorry.
No problem, no problem. Anybody can get confused. Teacher can get confused, no problem. You are, mashallah, a very good student. I am just joking. MD is what, Shabab? You are welcome, inshallah. MD is what?
KC multiply TD.
TD, D or DT, very good. So KC how much, Shabab? 1, that's good. TD how much? Derivative of 0 is how much?
0.
That's good. Second step here. KC how much? KC how much, Shabab? 1. TD how much? That's good. On derivative of error. So what we should put? 5t or 5t minus 10? What we
5t
should
minus
put?
10.
If we put 5t, what will happen?
Wrong.
If we put 5D, it is wrong. Your answer is correct, but the procedure is wrong. So we will put 5D minus 10. So how much? Is that correct, Shabab? Is it 50?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. What is the second step here? MD is equal to 1 10 d over dt of minus 5 t plus 30. How much, Shabab?
minus 50.
Minus 50%. And the second step here, Shabab, how much? MD?
0, 0.
0. Very good. Auto brother, they are saying 0. Very good, brother. Very good. Always third step, Shabab. Very good. MPD. Lot of brothers, they are saying MPD. MP how much? 10. D is 0. 10%. Third step here. MPD. How much MP? 5T. 50. 5T plus 50%. Right, Shabab? Third step here. MPD. MP, MD. So minus 5T plus 40
Minus
minus 50. How much, Shabab?
minus 10.
Minus 5T minus 10%. Right, Shabab? You are with me? And what is
Yes, yes,
MPD
right.
here? 10%. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. If you have any question, please ask, Shabab. That's good. Everybody is writing good. Okay. Now we need to draw it. The same way we take a reference line. We make a reference line here. 0. This one we say output. Yes, Shabab. From 0 to 2, what is output? Very good. 10%. Constant. Constant 10%. 10%. Yes, Shabab. How much is here? Say this is M. M at 2. 5 into 2 plus 50. How much? 60%. Right, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers saying yes. What is the second point? 4. Very good. So 5 into 4 plus 50. How much? 70%. Right, Shabab? 70 is fine. Is it okay, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers saying yes. Okay. Now we will go to at 2 it becomes 60. So we will go to 60. Here is 60. Actually, let's move a little bit up. Move this line little bit up because we have some negative also. We forgot that. So move it here. This is our 0 line. This is our 0 line, Shabab. So at 10, from 0 to 2, what is output, Shabab?
10.
10. We make 10 here. Okay. Then at 2 it goes to 60. So we make the 60 here. This is our 60. It goes up. Then at 4 it goes to 70. So we bring the 70 here and it goes like this. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher, correct.
What do you mean?
With you, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Now come to the third part. This one. This one. Say this is also M. So m of 4, how much? Minus 5 into 4 minus 10. How much about?
Minus 30.
Minus 30. Very good. And this one, second one, 6. Minus 5 into 6 minus 10. How much about? Minus 40. Very good. %. Now come here, Shabab. At 4 it is how much? At 4 it is how much, Shabab? Minus 30. So below 0. Somewhere here. Minus 30. Right, Shabab? So it will come down from here to here. And at 6 how much? Minus 40. So we'll put a line minus 40. Go like this. Because see the t is there. So it is changing from minus 30 to minus 40. Go like this. Okay, Shabab. How much here? After 6 how much?
10. It goes back to 10.
Again constant. 10 is again constant. Okay. This is 10 line. This is line for 10. We bring a dotted line from here. It goes back here and go. Once again, Shabab. Let's draw once again. If you have any confusion, any question, you please ask. Let's draw once again. Shabab with me, Allah brother with me.
Yes, teacher.
Allah brother with me. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. Now see here. From 0 to 2, what is output? 10% constant. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers saying yes. 10% a straight line. Like this, straight line, constant line. 10% done. Here, second part. M of 2, 60%. M of 4, 70%. 2, 4. See, 2, 4. So it will go to, from here, it raises to 60%. See here, 60%. And then it goes slope line to 70%. Like this, 70%. Right, Shabab? Brother with me? That's good.
Yes,
Another
teacher.
brother they are writing yes. That's good. Okay. For the third part, for this third part, M of 4, it is 4 to 6. M of 4 minus 30. M of 6 minus 40. Right, Shabab? So we bring it down. See here. We bring it down to minus 30. See here, this minus 30. We bring it down to minus 30. And then at 6 minutes, it goes to minus 40. Right, Shabab? So 0, then minus 10, then minus 20, then minus 30, then minus 40. So it is coming here. And the last part, this one, how much? Constant. 10% constant. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? So, lot of brothers they are saying yes. So we take it back to 10%. See, this is the line for the 10%, 10% constant. Right, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying clear. That's good. Again, Shabab, if some brother has any question, he can ask out of the class. You can ask anytime, any question, no problem. Right? Out of the class, any question, anytime, no problem, inshallah. But obviously, in the class, we have to do our next syllabus. We cannot go, like just all the time doing one thing. We have to do the next thing in the So these are the questions about for the derivative action that we need to do, right, Shabab? And now, after the derivative action, we have the system stability. And one thing more, Shabab, our homework number 3, before we go to the system stability, our homework number 3 is starting from which page, Shabab? Page 30. This is the page 30, Shabab. This is starting our homework 3, problems. See here, problems, page 30. And it is up to page 33. See, this is page 33. So these are our homework problems. And again, this is bonus homework. Somebody is solving it, he will get the bonus marks, inshallah. Somebody is not solving it. I don't know how he will do the exam or the quiz 2. And we already know what gonna be quiz 2, Shabab? Quiz 2 gonna be chapter 3 and 4, inshallah. Quiz 2 is chapter 3 and 4. So as soon as we finish the chapter 4, we will announce quiz 2, inshallah. That's good.